In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Adobe Fill and Sign effectively in just a few minutes. Whether you're handling important documents or simply filling a form, Adobe Fill and Sign is a powerful tool that can make the process quick and hassle-free. Let's dive in and explore how you can get started with this essential tool. The first thing you'll want to do is open your preferred web browser and search for Adobe. Navigating to Adobe's website is simple and straightforward. Once you're there, logging in is the next step. If you already have an account, use your credentials to log in. Don't worry if you haven't created an account yet. Setting one up is quick and easy. Just follow the on-screen instructions. Now that you've logged in, the next thing to do is find the Fill and Sign tool. Typically, you'll find this option either under the Tools menu or conveniently located in the right-hand pane of your screen. The interface is usually intuitive and user-friendly, so locating this option should be a breeze. Once you've found Fill and Sign, go ahead and click on it to get started. With the Fill and Sign tool open, you'll want to select the Add Text tool. This feature is invaluable when you need to input text into forms. Simply click anywhere on your document where you need to add information. A text box will appear, allowing you to type freely. You can even customize the text by adjusting its font size and color to suit your preferences or the document's requirements. This flexibility helps ensure that the document maintains a professional appearance. Next up is filling in specific fields. Whether it's a name, address, or any other detail, simply select the right tool and click on the field you want to fill. The cursor will guide you, making it clear and easy to input the necessary information accurately and efficiently. Now let's move on to signing the document. The Sign tool can be found within the Fill and Sign menu. You have the option to either create a new signature by drawing it out with your mouse or typing it, or you might already have a saved signature in your account. Simply choose the option that works best for you. Once your signature is ready, all you need to do is click on the area where you'd like to place it within the document. This can be done with just a click, making the entire process smooth and straightforward. Finally, don't forget to click Done or Save to ensure all your hard work is preserved in the filled and signed PDF document. It's always a good idea to double-check that everything is in place before saving. And there you have it. A quick and easy way to use Adobe Fill and Sign to manage your PDFs efficiently. Thanks for watching, and happy filling and signing.